Hello viewer, in this video I will show you how to fix Facebook no notification yet error. Step 1. Tap and hold on Facebook app. Click on I button. Go to notification. Now allow Facebook notifications. Now go back. Click on storage. Now from the lower corner, clear cache data from Facebook. Now go back. Now open Google Play Store, or if you're iPhone user, open your App Store. Now search Facebook app. From here, make sure your Facebook app is updated. If your Facebook app is not updated, please update your Facebook app. Now open your Facebook app. Now see, Facebook no notification yet problem successfully solved.